Good morning, everyone. Let me just make sure everything's working. Make sure all this is working. Get this out. Make sure the sounds okay. Yeah, I think that will work. Think that will work. All right. Good morning, everyone. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Had me a nice little week, week long little vacation there. I didn't do any trading, didn't do any videos. But I think what I'm gonna start doing is just do some lives in the morning when I get off work. Just go live and cover a couple of coins and not just Bitcoin. But we're gonna start. We are gonna start with Bitcoin. We got some coffee. We got some charts. So let's get into it. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. So right now with Bitcoin, we've just been ranging. It's been ranging since we hit 110K again. But right now we are coming up to resistance, Fibonacci .5 resistance here on the 1 hour. Let's go a little local. 10-minute, 15-minute VWAP. Oh, that money flow is shooting up. It is coming straight up. This could be the day. Could be the day we make all-time highs, which is how that money flow looks. These momentum waves, pretty deep. We got plenty of room to run on them. We can see the curve to the upside on the VWAP. 10-minute money flow as well, just shooting straight up. Deep anchor waves on the 10-minute. VWAP is also curving to the upside. Looks like we're going to flip 10, we'll call it 109 to support. We're going to have to flip 109 to support. Once we flip here, we can start breaking through some of this resistance. We've tried, but it smacked us right back down. We're well above our daily VWAP and our previous day VWAP. Still deep momentum wave. Money flow is getting ready to come in on the 30-minute. The 1 hour VWAP's well above the zero line there. So it has plenty of potential for this wave to keep going. See if I can't get a money flow. Does look like she wants to come out, but she'll probably just come out and come right back in. As long as the money flow stays getting as deep as it is on this 15 and 10-minute. Go to the 20. There's still plenty of room to run on this momentum. If we are going to go higher, we do have plenty of room to run. 4 hour just got a green dot. Money flow still in the market, but it wants to come out. We could see it just pick right back up. We saw it get pretty low back here, but pick right back up and boom, go right to all-time highs there. We got a lot of green dots on these higher time frames, the 8 hour, 6 hour, and a red dot on the daily with money flow coming out. So this could be our last hurrah here. Could be our last little hurrah unless money flow starts to pick back up. Go down here to ETH. See what ETH's doing on the daily. Looks like we're getting ready to print a red dot as well, but we can see the money flow wanting to curve to the upside. If my VWAPs would load, there they are. Let's go down to a local time frame. That's on the daily. Let's start on the hour. 1 hour, good bounce off the zero line. Nice bounce. Looks like we're reclaiming what, the previous day or our daily. Looks like we're claiming our daily here, our previous day. Money flows curving to the upside. Nice bounce with the VWAP. 15-minute money flow also coming up. And we all know money flow's king. Money flow is king. So when it's coming up, you can expect price to do the same. Plenty of room to run on this. We could even bounce. What is this on the 15-minute? We could even bounce and continue higher with this momentum wave. 10-minute. Still money flow curving straight to the upside. VWAP is coming down. We could come back down and retest our previous day here. our previous day VWAP right here, but it's looking good with the money flow just continuing to get higher on all these time frames. 30-minute money flow just came in, and we're above our previous day and daily VWAP. That's a good sign for price to continue higher. Four-hour green dot here on Ethereum. Probably getting a lot of green dots on these higher time frames, 7, 8. A lot of green dots getting ready to confirm in the next 4 minutes. I wonder if she's getting a downside. We could bounce off this zero line and keep this momentum wave continuing higher here on Ethereum. But if we do cross, we know we're gonna get a red dot. And if we're gonna lose some VWAPs here, we got plenty of support at 25.5. 25.25, 25.26. If we're not going to hold our daily and previous day, but it looks like we're going to. Let's check out XRP, see what XRP is doing. Oh, man. Thank you, Face. Hey, man, thank you. That's cool. That's so cool. Oh man, I just had Crypto Face in the chat, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. I love it. XRP. XRP, let's get back to it. Back to XRP. Coming up to resistance at the previous day VWAP. What are we on the 1 hour? We can see money flow is starting to... it's still rising. I'd say it's still rising. VWAP coming to the downside. Go to a little bit more local time here. A little bit more of a local time. We are getting a rejection off our previous day VWAP. Money flow has come into the market though. Looks like we could break above. Draw a little fib here. See where our next resistance would be. Yeah. If we can't get above our previous day, well, if we're going to continue higher with XRP, we'll have to get above our previous day at 230. We'll just call it $2.30. $2.30. And then if we can get above that, then you can see the resistance we have. But with that money flow coming in on the 15, pretty deep wave. I don't like how the VWAP's not showing any signs of curving to the upside. Still well above the zero line on that VWAP. We got a 2 hour. You can see the curve to the upside on the money flow on this 2 hour. We got a green dot starting to print. Four-hour money flow is also curving to the upside, and the VWAP's getting ready to cross over the zero line to print a green dot here. It's going to be key that we hold this previous day VWAP to continue higher. There's some old VWAPs. I'm not even sure. These are just old anchored VWAPs here, but you can see they still work. We came right up to them, touched them, and got rejected right off of them. So if we are going to continue higher and break all these Fibonacci's, you can see here, the real big key area of resistance is going to be $2.35 there. See what Solana is doing. 4 hour. Start with the 1 hour. VWAP's curving down. Money flow is on the rise. Kind of flatlining right now on the money flow. But we are pushing above our previous day VWAPs here. If we are going to get above it, you can see we came right up to our year-to-date VWAP on Solana and got rejected right back down to our previous year-to-date VWAP. That's why we call it the leapfrog indicator, because usually you leapfrog between each. If say it's your weekly, you're going to leapfrog back down to your previous week or back up to your previous week. And you can see that's exactly what happened here on Solana. Let's go to a little local time frame here. Money flow is super high, shooting straight up. We can see the curve to the upside on the VWAP. Plenty of room to run on this momentum. Well above our VWAP. Now, if we're gonna come down, the levels I'd watch is 150. Yeah, between 151, we'll just call it 51, and then 150.5. What else did I say? Fart corn. Old farter. Old farter boy. Let's see. Oh, big move down. Losing the previous month. We're way below. Wow. She's crashed since we've lost that moving average. She's crashed down to the previous month. We've lost our weekly, our monthly, and our previous day. We're trying to hold on to the daily VWAP right now here on Fartcoin, but it's not looking good. Looks like the money flow's curving to the downside. That VWAP's shooting straight down. There's no sign of a curve, no sign of a bounce off this daily yet. Oh yeah, see that 10-minute just VWAP still coming down. Looks like we're gonna. There is hope with this money flow coming up on this 10-minute. Maybe we can bounce from our daily and get a leapfrog to our previous day. But that is a dramatic dump there, isn't it? Since we lost that moving average. The 1 hour VWAP's coming down. Money flow's curving down as well. Looks like we might continue lower to build up some momentum to the upside here on this old fart coin. 4 hour VWAP. I don't like this. I never liked the money flow and VWAP working against each other. Money flow's coming out. It's a pretty straight shot up on this VWAP, but more than likely we're gonna see a curve back down to the downside, and it'll start playing the same side as the money flow, and we'll see a move down off of that if it happens. Now money flow could just come right back in and start playing the same direction as the VWAP. Looks like we have the potential to reject off this zero line on some of these higher time frames. 12-hour money flow is getting ready to come out. That's a very deep VWAP underneath that zero line. The daily money flow is also getting ready to come out, and money flow is king. If there ain't no money in it, it ain't gonna do nothing. Now we're losing our monthly. Now we're starting to lose that monthly. Yeah, we gotta hold that daily if you like to trade Fartcoin. I know it's a fan favorite in Flop and Groper's Discord. We're gonna have to hold that daily. If we're not holding the daily, we do have that April VWAP down here around $1, but she's not looking good. Bitcoin looks pretty good. Usually the Fartcoin follows Bitcoin. This money flow is still shooting straight up. I haven't been able to get a position yet. Crypto face that he's long as fuck. I wanted to, but I was still working right here when money flow crossed over on that 10-minute, 15-minute. But by the time I got there, I just didn't feel comfortable, because if I took a position, it probably would have dumped on me and then ripped. But yeah, we're looking good. We're primed for all-time highs. That's what I would say. We're primed for all-time highs. One last little hoorah. The money flow on the daily has me nervous. But that will do it for me. If there's any other coins y'all like to see in the next few videos, you can drop them in the chat. I'll make sure I add them here to the list. He's a superstar to me. Crypto Face was in the chat. He was in the chat. That's amazing, man. Like that guy got me into trading. He's the whole reason I'm doing this, like, for the last 4 or 5 years, and just to see him in my videos, man, that's cool. Even if he was the only one here, that doesn't matter. God bless all of you. These are the levels I'm watching. I'm expecting some moves to the upside here. But that will do it for me. God bless all of you. All praise be to Jesus Christ.